Look, in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what marketing automation is and why marketing automation is important to your company. That's right, I'm your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative, back with another episode of What Is? Like what you see and want to learn more? Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for instant notifications. Make sure you stick around to the very end of this video because I'm going to share 3 ways that you can use marketing automation at your company today, like right now. So today's topic is using automatic robots and Autobots to do marketing. Wait.
Transformers, more than meets the eye.
No, that's not right. Hang on. I just got word from my producer Dan. That is not the correct topic for today. Today's topic is marketing automation. Got it. So what is marketing automation? Well, basically, marketing automation covers any software that has the goal of automating marketing actions. Seems simple, right? Well, marketing departments everywhere want to automate repetitive tasks because repetitive tasks suck. With marketing automation platforms, businesses can target customers with automated messages across email, web, social, and even text. Why is this important to your company? Automation in any capacity allows humans to be more efficient, and in reality, be more human. When we can automate repetitive tasks, we get to put machines to work and free ourselves to do more stuff that's important. In marketing, scheduling emails, setting workflows to handle messages, using artificial intelligence or AI to get more done means we get to find better ways to market. Marketing automation platforms allow your business to use humans better and make better marketing because we officially have time to think about and make great decisions. How can you use it for your company? Well, in short, you can use marketing automation to increase efficiency, make better marketing, and drive more revenue. And who doesn't love more revenue? Thanks, this is the part that you stuck around for. Are you ready for the Black Belt Marketing Ninja tasty extras? Or just 3 ways that you can use marketing automation to impact your business? Well, cool. Number 1, increase customer lifetime value. Automate communications to stay top of mind with your customers. Add personalization and do it with fewer people. Increase the value while lowering the cost. By the way, if that doesn't increase CLTV, I don't know what does. That's definitely better marketing and more revenue. Number 2, increase efficiency by reducing admin cost. From automatically sending late payment reminders to consulting clients who are late on paying an invoice, to automatically setting up reporting and project planning accounts when a client accepts a proposal, use automation software to reduce the amount of repetitive admin work. And holy crap! That was a lot of work. Finally, number 3, put marketing automation software to work for your brand to improve engagement. Whether you're upping open rates, getting a higher click-through rate, or simply getting prospects to reply and schedule a chat, marketing automation makes it easier to analyze your efforts and double down on what works. Oh wait, you thought I was done? Hey, I still got more for you. You get a bonus knowledge nugget, or bomb, whatever you want to call it. Did you know that marketing automation can improve the relationship between sales and marketing? It's true. Sales professionals are finding out how much more rewarding it is to work with warm, qualified leads as opposed to cold calling from low-quality purchase lists. Also, they're getting less pushback on pricing because the leads are of higher quality. And this means they're getting better leads from marketing and closing them at a higher rate in companies that use marketing automation services and platforms. Boom! Sales and marketing living in perfect harmony. Now that you know what marketing automation is and why marketing automation is important, make sure you're implementing it for your company's success. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell before you go, and make sure you're being a happy, helpful human along the way.